Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Appwrite. Today we are going to learn about the database because basically here you can see that we require the database ID also. Okay, so let's create the database. So this is our Appwrite console. Let's go to the databases. We have to create the one database. Like we go with the any database like test. Okay, and then create it. And here you can see that we have a database right now. You can create a collection also. So the collection name would be users. Okay, let's create this and it is created. Right. So two things we require, that is database ID and the collection ID. Okay. So how we are going to get it? Right. So let's go back, and here you can see that we have a collection ID. So you can copy this collection ID, and if I go to the database, here we have a database ID. So the database ID and the collection ID both we are getting in. Right. So this is our database ID, and if I click on this, and here you can get the collection ID. So both we have already. Right. So this is how you can get the database ID and the collection ID. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.